In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to pay with your tap card on phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your tap card on any phone to pay contactlessly whenever you want to pay your fare is extremely simple. All that you have to do is make sure that you have the latest version of the Tap Card mobile app set up with all of your cards, or you can also do this process directly through a digital wallet. So first, if you want to do it through the Tap Card mobile app, all that you have to do, like I said, is sign into a pre-existing account, switch over to the Cards tab, and tap the plus sign at the top left corner of the screen. This will bring up the prompt to allow you to link different tap cards to your account. You need to make sure that they are linked through this window, and you can also manage the balance that they have. Now, once the card appears on this window, the Cards tab, you will be able to switch over to the home page and find the option to add the card to a digital wallet of your choice. If you are using an Android device, you are going to be redirected by default to the Google Wallet or Google Pay, and if you are on an iOS device, you will be redirected to the Apple Wallet instead. All that you have to do is add the card to the digital wallet of your choice, and all the credentials about the card will automatically appear on the digital wallet, including the amount of balance that it has. As long as the card is attributed to a digital wallet, you can now use your phone as long as it has NFC capabilities enabled to pay contactlessly. Place your phone near the tap card reader and you will be able to pay your fares with the tap card on your phone. Alternatively, you can also go directly to the wallet of your choice, for example the Apple Wallet or the Google Wallet, tap the plus sign and then choose the option to add a new transit card. You will see the tap of card under the list of regions and you can add it just like you would as if you were doing this process through the Tap Card mobile app. I hope I was able to help you on how to pay with Tap Card on phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.